site is showing not secured, so that is you need to install SSL on the site. So what you need is that if you need free SSL, you can get it. Just a matter of getting a software called Certbot. A site Certbot. You need the software called Certbot. I will give you the link to download this software. So it's just I will give you the link to download the software. Once you run the software, it will take you to the command prompts. Then this particular site, I need to access the site through FTP. So you can get FTP here. You download it with FileZilla. You download it from the site, from the website, from the internet. I want to access this particular site. Let me type the name, the actual domain name. .com. Then the cPanel username is going to be here. Then the cPanel password, I'm going to enter it here. So I can now log in. Just a simple login. So I have logged in. So I need to get the software. The name is software corporate. Certbot. Just type these commands. The commands, you need to type it here. Certbot. So once you type the commands, you press enter key. So it will tell you what to do. Let me run it again. Enter key for a certain time. Let me repeat the command again. Yeah, so it's working now. So what I'm going to do now is to copy this particular file to copy this particular file and place it. Copy this particular document and place it under this file name from the subdomain name that is not secured. So you have this folder well known under the corporate.mindcare.com, and under the well known folder you have challenges. So as it is here, I can go into the FTP to locate the location. So let me locate corporate.mindcare.com. This is a corporate.mindcare.com. I double click. So from the corporate.mindcare.com, I need this particular folder. I need to create this particular folder. It's not there. So to create it is very simple. I can create it from here. Create the directory, right click and click on create directory, then paste it here, Ctrl V, I pasted it, click OK. So automatically it has created it has created the directory, and it has created this also. So now I'm going to create a file, this particular file. I'm going to create this particular file. Ctrl C. To create is very simple. I can click on shell here. So type edit. Then save as I save as this particular file name. Let me delete everything there first. Save it as this particular file name. Enter, it has saved. Then let me copy this particular document. Ctrl C and place it inside there. Then save it again. I think this particular file, so after saving it, I can exit the document. So I will look for the document under this particular folder, that is user directory. So I will locate it from drive C. User and user. So the file I just created now can be located there. Today's date is 11. Okay, you can see the file just created now. So this particular file, I'm going to copy this particular file and place it here. So copy this particular file and place it there. So drag it and place it under this particular folder. So it's copying, it will appear now, it has placed there. Good. So I go back there to complete the process. So I've done what he asked me to do. Now it's just to come here and press enter key. Enter key is working. So it will generate the code. So it has done it. Good. It has generated it. So I have to go into this folder, this particular folder from the Certbot folder, live corporate.care.com. So I'll check go through the folder. Certbot, yes. Go through the live and come down here. So it has generated the key. Now is this, I will go and install. So I move to the cPanel of that particular site and put this there. So let's go back to the cPanel. So I try to locate under the security SSL status, click on manage SLS sites. So then try to look for the domain here, which is corporatemindcare.com. So I will now copy both the privates and the certificate here. So both the private and the private, this is the private key. I copy this. I place it here. Then I go to the certificate also. Let's check this first. Let's check this first. I copy. I place it here. So let's see, it has come out. It's going to expire February. I now come down here, I click on install. Yes, it has been installed. SSL has been installed down here. It has installed. You can see among the file, corporate SSL has been installed. So definitely this not secure, we change. So we change to secured. So we change after some minutes to secure. So that's how to install the SSL. That's how to install the SSL. It has been installed. So the site has been secured. So it's free. You don't need to pay money. This has saved me a lot of dollars. I install freely. I don't buy any SSL online. Thanks for watching.